Okay guys, in this video I'll be showing you how you can get started with VS Code. So once you download VS Code using the link on the description, you will see something like this. So what you need to do first is to create a folder, and to create a folder we need to go to open our File Explorer app. So you have to select the location, like the directory you want to create your folder, either download, music, desktop or document. But yeah, I'm using document here. So what I need to do is just right click, click on new here and then folder. So once you click on folder, you have to rename your folder. Let me just say you can give it any name. Let me just say first training. So after creating your folder, you have to open your VS Code. Click on file here. So you click on open folder. So click on open folder, you have to go and locate the folder you created. So where's mine? Okay, this is it here. Click select folder. So after that, you can see here that our folder here is already showing this side here, our folder is showing here. So after creating your folder, you click on this first icon here that said new file. You click on new file. So like I said, I've talked about HTML, CSS and JavaScript, how they work. So yeah, we're talking about HTML. So yeah, you can give it any name, either index or you can give it even your name self. What I'm using index here. So index.html. It's a must to put this dot sign here. You can see when I remove the dot sign, you see that the file here is on text file, not HTML file. So once you put your dot sign here, you can see that here is already in HTML file. And make sure if you want to put your dot, HTML should come after the dot, because if I should put just dot now, you can see what they are showing here, invalid. So you must put HTML here. So that after that, click on enter. So click on enter here. You see this page here. So this page is your code page, and the part where you be viewing your code is your web page. So I'll be showing you that after when we start writing our first code.